Morning blooming birds. Today we discuss economics part. All are writing very well notes, everything. But somebody are not writing, neglecting. Please write the notes and learn. All are giving good understanding. Thank you very much. See, today topic is factors promoting economic development. Those are factors are promoting to economic development are economic factors, non-economic factors. Today we see clearly economic factors.
Students, we are going to discuss now determinants of economic development. In that, first one is economic factors and non-economic factors. Today we see clearly economic factors. They are capital formation and ICOR, natural resources, agrarian structure, marketable surplus of agriculture, industrial structure, condition in foreign trade, economic system. First factor promoting economic factors in economic development is capital formation. Students, observe here all savings of persons invest in bank. Bank giving loans to farmers, industries on infrastructure, goods, tractors, vehicles, etc. etc. That is known as capital formation. Capital formation role of capital in raising the level of production has traditionally been acknowledgement in economical issues. Economists rightly assert that lack of capital is the principal obstacle to growth and no development plan will succeed unless adequate supply of capital formation.
Capital output ratio is explains the level of investment made in economy and consequent increase in GDP. It shows ICOR. Capital formation is different and ICOR is different. Ratio between two goods. What are the goods? Investment made in economy towards consequent increase of GDP, known as ICOR.
Second, promoting economic development in economics factors is natural resources. A natural resource is something found in nature that people can use to meet their needs easily. Students, you know very well natural resources are water, air, sunlight, coal like minerals, etc. are found in nature. The third promoting economic factor is agrarian structure. Agrarian structure, we see here clearly two things that are land reforms among Maliks, Kisans, Mazdoors, and one more modernization in agriculture. Modernization in agricultural is using new techniques, new methods, new instruments instead of old instruments, old methods to plough, to sowing, to harvest. Using strategies, technology in modernization. Fourth important promoting factor is marketable surplus in agriculture. Marketable surplus means a farmer can sell on the market to earn a profit known as marketable surplus. With this profit, she or he can reinvest into farming operations by purchasing more land or better farming equipment. She or he may also simply save this profit or use it to purchase personal items. The next important factor is industrial structure, also promoting economical development. Industrial structure describes the composition of a country's economic activities. Students, you know the economic activities in industrial structure. Industrials produces products of human provisions and everything. Industries are usually categorized mainly three types. They are agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, automobiles. Hence, industrial structure is also one of the promoting factor of economic development. Last promoting economic factor in economic development is economic system. In economic system, major role economic factors of production. That are land, labor and capital. Students, you know clearly in economic system the way a society decided what type of goods to produce and how to distribute and which type of goods whom are useful. Students, observe here. Economic system is a system to manufacture, to regulation, to circulation, to distribution in the society is known as economic system. Students, now you know clearly economic factors in economic development. Later we will discuss non-economic factors promoting in economic development.